another video, and today we are doing a little seafood. I'm not saying seafood boil, but today we have 2 lobster tails and we have a cluster of snow crabs. So we have some butter sauce right here. I added a little seasoning because it was just straight butter. No, I'm not gonna do that. And then we have the cheddar biscuits from Red Lobster, and then I have a good old sun-kissed orange. So we gonna get into this video because I got people coming over and I need to hurry and do my video before they interrupt me. So we're gonna say grace and then we're gonna get it in. Amen. So y'all, I did not know that they send these. I went and bought me scissors and everything to make sure I was able to open this. So I ain't never used these. So if I look like an amateur, it's because I am. So yes, we gonna try this because I tasted lobster tail for the first time about 2 weeks ago. Me and my mom and my sister, we had seafood. Oh, it was actually on my dad's birthday, October 3rd. So I already took my Benadryl, and I don't even know how to do this. Oh, how do you do this? Ooh, okay. I got this from Red Lobster, y'all, and I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Oh, there it goes. I be watching y'all, but okay. Is that how it goes? It's tender. It's supposed to feel like that? I don't know. Ooh, can y'all hear the dogs? They always want to do it when I'm videoing. I don't think this is cooked. This is not how we... No. No, no, no. They too soft for me. Y'all, I'm gonna just do this because I should just did my own seafood cut. Okay, this is done. They wrong for that. I don't like that. It don't taste like... And that butter's strong. I should have did my Cajun butter because this is, ooh. So how is y'all day going? Y'all, I can see straight through these crabs. I don't know if y'all can see that. You can see straight through here. Is this how you use it? Let me see. We gonna learn today. You gonna learn today. I don't think that was right. Oh shoot! I don't know how to do this, y'all. I'ma name y'all. I don't know how to do this. Is this how I go? They wrong. Y'all, I'm about to give up on this. That's why I bought scissors. Shoot, I ain't got time for this. I ain't got time. I don't got the time today. We gonna shoot. I got scissors just for this. So whenever I was gonna do a seafood boil, I would have them. So, think I'm playing. We ain't playing no games today. We not playing no games today. We not playing no games today. They too big for this doggone. Y'all, when y'all hear me doing that, I'm itching my throat. Some of y'all probably do it too. Yeah, this is all the meat that's in this little piece. They wrong for that. The meat is good though. Yeah, that was all that was in her. I'll throw that at y'all. I'm not playing. I'm playing. I'm playing. Hopefully we don't have no problem with this one. Oh. You know what? I should have told my sister to go Sam's to go get them doggone crabs, because we would have had a better boil than this, y'all. I ain't playing. We would have had a way better boil than this. Shoot. Come through. Come through. Shoot. Seafood with nails is not going to work like that for me. Some people can do it, but oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. The meat is really good though, but they wrong for these lobster tails, unless the lobster tails supposed to be like that. This meat is good. I think this is the best I've had yet when it comes to crab. But they wrong. Y'all, this lobster's still crawling. I'm not lying. This lobster is still... Y'all think I could get this, like, you know, like that? Why they don't... Y'all be false out, but look at this, y'all. Y'all, I don't know what kind, where y'all be living, but my crab legs don't do that. This is ridiculous. Now this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Come on, don't break. It ain't like you already did it. Come on. Y'all. They wrong for this. They wrong for this. My throat itching, y'all, because I barely took my Benadryl. So right now, them bubbles are going to somewhat help me out. Okay, come on. Y'all, for this to be good, I'm still having a lot of problems. Every video, it never fails. Every video. You can't put too much of this butter on now. I might eat a biscuit. That biscuit is good. I ain't never had red lobster. I tell you one thing, they not Popeye biscuits, but Popeye biscuits is suicide. Y'all, I'm trying to really hurry this seafood boil up. I mean, my seafood thing up. Cause my sister coming. I don't even know how lobster really supposed to have, but my sister and them cooked it to my liking. And this is just too chewy. Y'all, I know I'm gonna be annoying y'all with that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I really am. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. All this trouble for the itty bitty. Y'all, look at this piece of meat. All this trouble for this itty piece of meat. And I'm still gonna get it out because the meat is really good. It ain't soft. It ain't sweet like I got some sweet. I got some sweet snow crab. I'm tired of doing all this work for itty bitty meat. I need some king crab in my life. I want to taste that so bad. I know Sam sells it, but I think it's like $25 for a leg, something like that. I don't know. I need to go to a place where they already, like, they're known for seafood, because I'll probably get a better deal on it. I don't know. This is agitating, y'all. Okay, there you go. Boom. Oh, snick. Now, I don't want to do it. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at y'all. Wait. Is that supposed to look like that? Can y'all see that? Maybe, you know what? Maybe it's seasoning because I see it on the dish. I don't like that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh heck no. What the crap is this? Can't do it. Oh no. They wrong for that. Y'all, this is an epic fail. And I'm still gonna upload it. They wrong for this. Oh no. Oh Lord. Looking at that is just nasty. Y'all, it look like poop. But I know it ain't poop. Oh gosh. You know what? I'm about to, y'all, this probably be my first and last seafood because this just disgusted me. It just disgusted me, like for real. It look like poop in here. I can't do it. I can't. Sorry. I'm sorry. Y'all gonna be mad at me in them comments, but I'm not doing that. I might just upload this video tonight because I'm upset. I am upset. I was upset. And the thing is, I was trying to go to Crab King, but the truck not here no more. Y'all know these shits is cheap. They just, today's not my day, y'all. Do y'all have anything y'all allergic to? And you know you allergic to it, but you'll still eat it? Y'all, I'm sorry. Ooh, Lord. This like, ooh, I'm about to end this video. I'm sorry. Ooh, I need a coat. I need something to kill that itch in my throat. Y'all, this is our last one. And I hope we can get it out whole. So I'm going to try to loosen it up around the edge. Did it? Epic. Epic fail. Excuse me. This is an epic fail. Y'all, I'm mad about the lobster. I wonder if I can recook it, like, or will I mess it up? Sorry, to me it's already messed up. But I don't know how people do seafood boils. I don't. Not on no camera. It's too many problems with it. It's too many problems. Maybe if I did a de-shelled, I wish. That's what I need to do. I need de-shelled in my life. This is the last piece, y'all. And I know the crab was good until I made my biscuit. And then we're going to wrap it up. Y'all, next time I'm going to just do my own seafood. I don't want to waste it, but this is just not right. I'm going to Google it and see if you could recook. Because is it supposed to be chewy? I don't know. I'm glad I'm wrapping up this video. Y'all, hold on. Y'all hear that knock? Hold on! Y'all, I told you I had people coming over. Okay, y'all. Ooh, hold on. This has been another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend that I'm recording at all times. I love you. Bye. Okay, y'all. So I got a quick update about them lobster tails. So let me tell y'all. My sister came over here, right? Because y'all heard her knocking. Why wasn't my lobster tails cooked all the way? She said they not supposed to be like that. I knew that wasn't right. So, yeah. Just wanted to update y'all.